So I thought of making another batch of clay, but this time using a microwave. My shop is going live on 15th of August. Let me first show you what all ingredients you will need. This cornstarch. Next one, you will need PVA glue. So this is optional. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then a big welcome to you as well. In my previous video I shared that my shop is going live on 15th of August and I have been busy preparing and designing the products myself, and just now I ran out of clay while I was working, so I thought of making another batch of clay, but this time using a microwave. So basically मैंने already एक video post किया हुआ है regarding how you can make homemade clay, बट उस टाइम पे मैंने माइक्रोवेव नहीं यूज़ किया था. सो आई थॉट कि वाई नॉट शो यू गाइज हाउ यू कैन मेक होममेड क्ले इन अ माइक्रोवेव दिस टाइम. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Let me first show you what all ingredients you will need to make a homemade clay. So the first one is this cornstarch. Next one, you will need PVA glue. I am using this one. Then another one is any colorless oil. I'm using this parachute oil. The next one is any preservative of your choice. I usually use white vinegar, so you can go with this one. And the last one is white acrylic paint. So this is optional because homemade clay usually yellow हो जाती है after some time. So उसको protect करने के लिए I am using this white color so that हमारी clay white रहे हमेशा. So yeah, these are the ingredients that you will need. First, take a microwave safe bowl and add 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of PVA glue. Mix them well until the mixture is smooth and has no lumps. This step helps make sure that your clay turns out soft and even. Now add 2 tablespoons of any colorless oil and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix everything again properly. Also, please note that I forgot to record the part where I added white acrylic paint. This step is optional and only helps make the clay look more white. I microwave this for 30 seconds and you will notice a thin layer forming on the surface. Mix it well before putting it back in the microwave. After the second 30 seconds, a slightly thicker layer appears. Again, give it a good mix to keep the mixture smooth. In the third interval, small lump starts to form. Mix it well again so everything stays evenly combined. By the fourth interval, the clay starts coming together. Mix it again to keep the texture even. In the fifth interval, you will see a big chunk of clay has formed. Your clay should look like this at the end. Also, the total time may vary depending on your microwave. Like for me, it usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes, but it can differ from one microwave to another. Now, take the clay out, dust some cornstarch on it and knead it well until it becomes smooth and easy to work with. Usually, I knead the clay for around 4 to 5 minutes until the clay cools down. To check if your clay is good, take a small part and see if it sticks to your palm. And also you can do a teardrop test. If it forms a smooth teardrop shape, the clay is good to use. And after that, put some oil on the clay and wrap it in a cling wrap and store it in an airtight container. And after 24 hours, your clay is ready to use.